Hey guys, so I'm finally doing the perm rod set tutorial that y'all have been requesting for. I hope you enjoyed this video. To create this style, I'm using a leave-in conditioner. I'm also using the Lotta Body Mousse, which is a game changer, a few perm rods and a comb to detangle. So I already separated my hair in a few sections just for ease of styling, and as you can see, I'm just moisturizing it. I've applied a bit of the leave-in conditioner, and I'm also making sure that I'm getting my ends because my ends are a bit dry. And then of course I'm going to go ahead and seal in all that moisture using a bit of olive oil. So after that, I'm just going to take a comb and run it through, because for this style you want to ensure that your hair is detangled. Next up, I'm just going to be sectioning my hair again into smaller workable sections, and then I'm grabbing the mousse. As I mentioned, this is the game changer, and just one pump of the mousse is enough. As you can see, I got a little bit carried away and I think I went in with like 2 pumps, but you can see this is way too much product, and just one pump is enough. Alright, next up I'm grabbing my perm rod, and that's the method I'm using to twist on the perm rod. I'm just rolling it all the way up, and then when I get closer to the roots, I'm twisting it and then rolling it back inwards. I don't know if that makes sense, but you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I'll repeat that again. I'm just applying some mousse onto the sectioned hair, rubbing it in, smoothing it in, and then detangling the section. After detangling, I'm just rolling the perm rod, as you can see, and this technique is really important if you want to get that spiral curl. You have to make sure that when you get closer to the root, you roll and twist the perm rod. So you twist it in the opposite direction, and then you continue rolling it onto the root, and then you secure it. So using the same technique and the same products, of course, I'm going to repeat all that throughout the entire head. You can see this is a very thick mousse, and you would think that it would flake up on me, but the good thing is it doesn't flake, and as you can see, it's already dried up. Look at that. The whitish stuff has already disappeared. So it's a really fast drying mousse, and that's what I like about it. Alright, I'm all done now, and I'm just going to let my hair set overnight for it to dry. So this is the next morning, and of course my hair is completely 100% dry, and now I'm just taking out the rods. Just look at that. The set is looking so good. I think this is the best set I've ever done, by the way, guys. I'm not kidding. It's the best set I've ever done, and my curls are very smooth. Just look at that. Wow. So as I'm removing the rod, I'm just twisting it in the opposite direction, and I'm doing it so gently. I know it looks like I'm rushing it, but I'm doing it so gently so that I don't disturb the curls. Then after that, I'm just adding a bit of the olive oil again, just to, to add some shine and just to help in the separation process. So to separate the curls, I'm just smoothing the curl, as you can see, and then I'm just separating it in smaller sections, and I'm twirling the curl or the piece of hair around my fingers, and then making sure it's bouncing back. As you can see, curls are popping. Curls are absolutely popping. My hair feels very smooth. It doesn't have any crunch whatsoever. As you can see, it's also shiny and it has body. Guys, this mousse this mousse was a game changer for me. I think I've never used a mousse whenever I'm doing a perm rod set, and I think moving forward I'll always add a mousse in my perm rod sets. Right, next up, I'm just grabbing my afro comb and I'm just going to use that to fluff up the roots. I like going hard with the comb, if you know what I mean. I like to get in there on the roots and really, you know, comb the roots up. And I'm doing it also very gently because I don't want to separate the curls. As you can see, I am just only combing the roots and I'm not taking the comb through the hair. So I'm just doing that on the root so that I can add more body, and then of course I'm using my fingers to just fluff it and also make sure that my hair is shaped to the style that I want it to. So now I'm creating a side part and I'm going to go ahead and add a few golden bobby pins to just, you know, add some oomph to the style. And once I'm done, of course, I'm slicking my baby hair. I always do this step. And this is the finished look, guys. To maintain this style, I usually do the banding method overnight. I think I'm going to show you in the next video how I maintain my curly styles. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, comment down below and let me know if you prefer doing a heatless perm rod set or you like to sit under a hooded dryer, you know, for like an hour or 2 hours and just wait for your hair to dry out. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll catch up with you in the next video.